Hello, everyone. Do you feel nervous while speaking English? Do you understand English but hesitate to speak? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many people feel the same. But today, I promise you one thing. If you follow these simple steps, you will start speaking English confidently. Break the fear. First thing, remove fear from your mind. Remember this. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Don't wait to become perfect. No one is perfect in the beginning. Even fluent speakers made mistakes when they started. So from today, say this to yourself. I am learning. It's okay to make mistakes. If you want to speak English, you must speak. Not just read, not just watch. Speak daily. Start with simple sentences. I am eating food. I am going to school. I am watching TV. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, even alone. Practice in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Speak slowly but clearly. Consistency is more important than perfection. Don't try to learn everything at once. Learn small things daily. 5 new words, 2 sentences, 1 short conversation. Example, word, happy. Sentence, I am very happy today. That's it. Simple and powerful. Focus on daily practice, not heavy study. Listen to English daily. Videos, movies, songs. Then try to copy the way they speak. This is called shadow practice. Pause the video, repeat the sentence, copy the tone and pronunciation. This will improve your fluency fast. Confidence is the key. Even if your English is simple, speak confidently. People don't laugh at confidence, they respect it. Say this daily. I can speak English. I am improving every day. So remember, don't fear mistakes. Speak daily. Learn small things. Listen and repeat. Stay confident. If you follow this, you will definitely improve. Start today, not tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.